Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw an Octoling from Splatoon. So to start off, we want to begin with the face. So starting right here on my paper, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and then comes back up like this. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve it around really wide, and then I'm going to bring it up and then back down. Then I'm going to start over here and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and then back up right here. Now, inside of here, I want to draw the eyes. So first, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves around for like an oval shape. And then starting here, I'm going to draw another line, and I'm going to make this one really big and then curve it up to here. Then I'm going to draw a partial circle, and then another one in here, and I'm going to color in that small one. Then I'm going to draw another circle here. And then I'm going to put another circle here and then color it in. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a big oval shape that kind of curves back down to here. Then right here, I'm going to just draw a little line that just kind of comes down so I can finish off the head. Now for the tentacles. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and then down. And then I'm just going to curve this around to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves like an S shape like this. Then I'm going to curve it back around. Then starting here, I'm going to curve a line that goes around and then comes back up like this. I want to keep it skinny down here and then fat up here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and around like this. Then I'm going to curve this back, and I'm going to keep this really fat up here and then kind of curve it there. Then I'm going to just draw two little extra tentacles back here. Now on this one, what I want to do is I'm going to draw a line that curves around to here. Then I'm going to draw a little oval for a suction cup. Then I'm just going to draw the line all the way back into here. And then I'm just going to make another little suction cup right there. Then on this one, I'm just going to draw a little line that curves around and then comes down like this. And there you go. There is your little Octoling from Splatoon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.